Hey guys, Dave from Ghetto Van Adventures here, and heading to pick up motorcycles. So we're going to do another little review on the lock and load motorcycle holder thing. Anyway, good system, and we'll test out pretty good with a different bike today. Hey, it's Dave from Ghetto Van Adventures again, and made it home. 5 hours hauling the bike home, and I stopped once and just up the back, and I recommend you do that. If you look, my previous video had it shows driving the bike up and on, different bike I have, but this one here, it's great. I love this system, the lock and load. I was just about to take it apart, but the lock and load system. Now remember, on mine, somebody stole my front strap, and if you look back at our videos, we'll put a link in at the bottom. If you look back at the videos, and you'll see when they stole it. But this thing's absolutely great. I love it. It keeps the bike sitting upright. The only thing I'm telling you, again, make sure that you put the bike in first. You got to leave it in gear. So leave the bike in gear, and you know, like I say, once it's locked in there, it ain't moving. Strap it in, and you're good to go. Like, I'm serious. We were going over some rotten roads today, and it just drifted along. And after about, I'd say about 20 minutes, I went and adjusted the straps at the back just to make sure they were tight on both sides. It never moved an inch. And I'm serious. This thing was bouncing on a couple of things in construction, so it held on great. Check it out, guys. We'll put a link also below for the lock and load. Check it. I think it's one of the best investments if you're towing a bike. Like, if this was inside a trailer, it'd be awesome. But like I say, this thing just kept rocking with this on, and never a problem. So check it out. Pick one up if you're doing any hauling of a bike. Pick it up. I think it's one of the best investments. They're not cheap, like I said before, but I think it's one of the best investments. If you want to see more on this, well, like I said, we'll have the link below so you can check out just loading it up and on and how to strap it and everything. But as for a review, A1. Anyway, take care, guys. Be safe. Have fun. Later.